on your camera phone. Get a little bad, you watch me put down. Yes, yes, yes.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say alright. Body rude is polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Hope you said the right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, yeah, I look good. That's my swag, it's so good. I look fly, yeah, I look good.
I'm so deep in my bag like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Second game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
On my mama, on my hood. On my mama, on my hood.
Hey y'all, so as y'all saw, I did my lashes, so my lashes are done and complete for the trip. I also did my nails. The only thing I have left to do is my toes. But yeah, this is the beauty maintenance that I was talking about for the trip. I ain't have to spend a dime. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I did get some of those toe press-ons from Shein, which I don't know if y'all already saw yet, but I'm gonna show y'all whenever I put them on. But right now we're headed to Target to get like some travel sized items that we're gonna need, and then after that we're gonna pack, because I have been washing some stuff and looking through some clothes to see what I want to wear on the trip. So yeah, y'all see me pack later. But yeah, we just headed to Target, and I will see y'all when we get there. Hey y'all, so we made it back from Target. Let me show you everything we got. Now, we did get all travel stuff. We were good. We didn't buy up the whole Target, but we did get one thing that's not for travel, okay? And it's the holidays, so we went browsing and we found this candle. It smells so good, y'all. So good. Like, I'm gonna have to like this immediately, okay? Immediately. Everything gonna be nice and cozy and yes. But now for the vacation stuff. So we got some toothbrushes. I don't like to bring my own toothbrush because, like, once I bring a toothbrush on vacation, I just want to throw it away. Like, I don't know. That's just me. So I'd rather just bring like little throwaway toothbrushes. I got some Lysol because I like to spray down things. I like to spray down my suitcases. Sorry y'all, my camera died because I needed to delete some memory. Like, I literally had last vlog I just posted today and the previous vlog still on this camera. Oops. Anyways, so I got the toothbrushes and everything. I got the Lysol because I like to spray stuff down. And then I got some toothpaste.
Yay,
Some Tylenol. Some hand sanitizer. He wanted some lotion, so he got some shea butter lotion. I already have some lotion packed and ready to go. And then we got some deodorant. He got his men's Dove deodorant. I got my like regular deodorant. And then we got some sunscreen because we're gonna need it. And then I got some makeup wipes because I'm gonna need that. Makeup removal wipes. And yeah, that's about it. We were pretty much good at Target, so yeah. Only thing I have left to do for vacation is my toes and my hair. So yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back. So basically I had to take everything out of my luggage and put it in there so that way I can have as much room as possible. I also decided to try on some outfits to see whether or not I wanted to wear them or not, because yeah, I would hate to get on a trip and then not like want to wear the outfits that I picked out. So I tried them on to make sure, and then I ended up switching out some outfits and added some. So yeah, that's in there. I do need room for like one pair of heels that I am bringing for when we go out. So I decided to put it in this bag. So I'm bringing this bag instead of my whatchamacallit, my fanny pack. I'm just gonna use this one as my personal bag because at least I can fit one of the purses that I'm gonna be wearing on the trip and my one pair of heels. This is where I'm gonna put like my camera battery, my camera charger, and stuff like that in this. So I also put some extra nails in here, some extra nails, because y'all know, press on gang, y'all know how it go. Just in case these nails pop off, I have the glue and then I have the extra nails. So yeah, I'm gonna find a little container to put some of this edge control in, but I did get my wig from Amazon. So basically the only thing left to do is my toes and my hair. So all right y'all, I am in my guest room and I just wanted to take the time to show y'all the hair because I'm gonna be putting this hair on after I wash it, because y'all, I can smell it from the bag. So this is the vendor. I paid this with my own money because I just wanted like an affordable wig, curly wig. Oh, okay, so it comes with a headband. So this is what the headband looks like. No, I will not be wearing it, but it's cute for a little girl though. Oh, okay, gifts. They come bearing gifts. So these are the lashes. Cute. Comes with a wig cap. And this is the brand flyer. It's called Faria hair or Faria hair. I don't know how to pronounce it, y'all, but y'all saw it. And then this is the back, giving you instructions on how to care for the wig. So yeah, we definitely gonna wash this. Definitely gonna wash it. I like the fact that it came with like little stuff, like it even comes with the band, the wig band. So yeah, So let me show y'all the start of the show. So I got an 18-inch, like y'all can see on the bag. I think I got like a deep wave. I think this is a deep wave. I don't remember. Oh, 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 oh. Y'all. Oh, this is definitely perfect for vacay hair. So it's 18 inches. This is what the hairline is looking like. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this and then I'm going to, you know, put it on and y'all be able to see, you know, how I rock it or whatever. I am tired. I'm so tired. I haven't even been looking at the viewfinder when I'm talking. I'm tired, but I'm packed. I got my makeup packed and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash this hair, put it on, put on my silk cap, and yeah, get ready for bed because I gotta wake up early. I have a early flight tomorrow. Early flights. So yeah, and I gotta also make sure I have everything I need. I'm gonna bring my battery charger, my camera, this tripod, this little mini tripod, because I'm gonna be vlogging this vacation. And yeah, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog because ain't nothing left to say. Okay, y'all saw my little maintenance. Y'all didn't get to see me do my toes, unfortunately, but y'all gonna see them on vacation. I'm gonna show y'all my toes. Okay, anyways, see y'all in my next video.